Welcome back to another Dollar General haul. Today I have just a few things I wanted to share with you guys that I found that are new there. Some new to me. And then one item from the Walgreens. So I had to go in there and get a prescription. And I've been wanting this Wet n Wild Lift Brows Brightener thing. Pencil for a while. And Emily Noel talks about it all the time. So I picked this up for, it was $3.99 and so $4. And she uses it in her waterline, and I'm a big fan of using nudes in the waterline, and if she likes it and it stays all day, definitely want to try it out. So I picked this up on her recommendation and finally found it. And then from Dollar Owl, all this is from the Dollar Owl from Dollar General. And I have been keeping an eye on the LA colors there, but I haven't seen anything new or anything new that's caught my eye yet. So, still on the search for some new LA color stuff. But I did buy another one of the Gold and Collagen Sheet Masks 2-pack. And you'll have to stay tuned to see what we're going to do with that one. And then also they had a new face mask that was not there the other day. And you get two in here as well. And it's from Spa Logics. And it's Himalayan Salt Charcoal Mask. So I'm really excited to try this, and both of the packages say Feel the Glow, so they're probably from the same kind of company, but they have different names there. They had a bunch of Sally Hansen nail polishes for $1, and this one, I don't see the name. It's just a nice coppery glitter, and I like glitter polish, so grab that. This, I found a seasonal item, and this is the Ajax 14-ounce Seasonals dish liquid, and it's in jasmine and superfruits. Smells pretty good. I thought we would try this one out. And then, last but not least, real quick, I found a 3-pack of icy bath bombs, which I thought was actually a really cool find for $1. They are ages 5+, and you got a lemonade, a cherry, and a blue raspberry. And Connor really likes bath bombs, and I thought this was really neat for $1 to find not only 3 of them, which is always a good deal, but icy, and I can smell them through the package. They smell good. And the package also resealable for $1. But that is my small little haul, and I definitely just wanted to share with you and draw some attention to some of these really cool finds I've been finding at the Dollar General. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos. And like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you always for watching.